team Aaron, and we are here in the second video of learning the HTML doc, creating the HTML files, that is web pages. So in our previous video we have stopped here with the basic tags and the basic structure of the HTML document, and we have seen the basic tags we have like HTML on the head tag, title tag and body tag, and inside the body tag we have paragraph, bold and italic and underline. So now we will go to little higher extension, like suppose we have a heading for our document, for a web page. So HTML provides a series of headings, that is h1 to h6. So this is heading 1, and sorry, we need to be written in the inside the h1 and h tags, that is this is heading 1, and we have similarly we have h1 to h6, and you can write anything h6. Let me show you. This is heading 6. Let me save this, Control S, and you can see the heading 1 has some default size, that is some around 26 I think so, and this is heading 6. The heading 6 is of least priority and heading 1 is of highest priority. So choose your heading according to your concern, like we have h1 to h6, h2, h3 and so on to h6. And next important tag in the HTML is adding a attributes. We have a new text, a new term in HTML like attributes. Attributes means changing the way of the text we want to represent. Suppose we have the body tag here, and we need to change the background color of the web page. So here we have an attribute called style. So attribute should be written along with the tag. So we are changing the presentation of the body, the complete body of the web page. That's why I'm writing that attribute style with body tag. So the style attribute and the value should be between the double quotes. The style attributes value should be between the double quotes, and there are several values like background color, font family, font size, text align, and many more. Let me write background color, since it is a single word, background color, background color colon, let the color be blue, semicolon, and everything should end with a semicolon inside the style, and semicolon letter quotes. Let me say this, and here we can see the complete body of the document is blue color. Now there are so many style attributes. This is called an attribute style, and that attribute should be inside a tag for which we want to modify, and this is called a value. So background color blue is the value for the style attribute, for the attribute style. And next we have another most important tag in HTML is tag anchor tag. Suppose we can observe in many websites we will be having links indicates the change or transfer of one web page to another web page. Suppose we have a link. In order to write a link in HTML we need to use anchor tag called a. So the attribute to anchor tag is href, that is hyperlink reference, equal to, and the value, this is the tag, that is anchor tag, and the value, and the attribute for the anchor tag is href, that is hyperlink reference, and the value should be within the double quotes, and we need to specify the URL of the link. I am redirecting the link to http://www.google.com. So I'm redirecting I'm adding a link from my web page to the google.com, and there is another attribute for the anchor tag, that is a tag, that is called target attribute. Target, and the target equal to quotes, and these are the values you can see in the bracket software. shows you all the values for the target attribute slash bank underscore parent underscore self. So underscore blank indicates that the new link will get opened up in a new tab. Okay, let me close this anchor tag. As I close it, it automatically given me the ending tag, and let me add the text to my link, that is click here. Let me save it, Control S. Here you can see click here link. Let me remove the background color, white. See, here you can see the click here, and if I click it, you can see I'm redirected to google.com in a separate tab. Since we have written the target equal to underscore blank, it got opened in a separate tab. Suppose if I change the value of the blank of the target to underscore to underscore self, and let me save it. Let me close this. Let me save it. Sorry, Control S. And if I press the click now, you can see the Google get open in the current web page, that is in the self web page. If I go to back, I will be coming to my web page. So the target is specified to where the link should open, whether it is in the new tab or in the same tab. So let me restore it to blank. And next important tags in HTML is adding color to your text. Suppose we want our heading to be displayed in in red color, so we have the style and the color attribute. The color value colon and what color you want, red, semicolon. Let me save this, and you can see that is in red color. So the list of, suppose you want this paragraph to be center aligned. Now add attribute style equals quotes text, and the value is text align, semicolon, value is center. You want the text to be in center, semicolon, Control S, and you can see this paragraph is now center line. And there are many values for text align like left, right, and center, and you can specify the value of the color even in hexadecimal. That is, hexadecimal should start with an hash symbol, and we have 6-digit hexadecimal, that is FF maximum value. This indicates the red color, blue color, green color, and blue color. So first FF indicates the red color, next two FF indicates green color, and last two FF indicates blue color. Let me save this. It's a white color. So that's why your heading doesn't appear here. You can see that it's there. If you want to change the color, change it to 24, 25, 31. Let me save this, and it's a shade of, I think it's shade of black. So this is the way you can give color, and you can add the attributes, style attribute, to the web page. And the next, and so there are so many tags like pre-tag. The pre-tag is used to display the text along with the spaces. Suppose I have a series of space here, this space, space, and I save this, and you can see the space in our editor is respected in our browser. So its pre-tag is used to print the exact text we have in the editor in the browser itself. So that's the use of pre-tag. And in the next video I will give a list of text formatting tags, and you can do your experiment with those tags if you have installed the bracket software in your PC. So stay tuned to our channel, and we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.